Hey, this is a video I want to share about fixing your car if you're in an accident that you caused. So I've seen clients come in, they've been in an accident, they hit somebody else. And then they'll say, I don't want to fix my car, I want my insurance to go up. Well, here's a little news for you and a little information to help you with your money and keep money in your pocket, or in this case, get some money back. When you have a collision, it's the frequency of claims, not the dollar amount of the claim. So my point is if you hit somebody else, that's one claim. And the insurance company, let's say it's going to cost $5,000 to fix their car and $5,000 to fix your car. That's $10,000. Insurance company doesn't care whether that's $10,000 or $50,000. It's one claim. And I often have people say, well, I'm not going to fix my car. Well, you might as well fix your car because you've already got the claim and your rates are going to go up. Here's the other thing. At a bare minimum, if you don't want to fix the car, now I'm going to tell you the price of vehicles today and the importance of quality repairs, that may not be the best decision. But if you decide still not to fix your car, at a minimum, do a thing called cash out. So you've got $5,000 worth of damage to your car. You hit somebody else, fix their car. Your insurance is going to pay 100% of that bill. Your insurance is going to pay your bill less your deductible. So in our example, let's say you've got a $5,000 repair bill with a $500 deductible. So the insurance company is going to write you a check for $4,500. If you don't want to fix the car, doesn't make any difference to us. What we help you do is figure out what's in your best financial interest. So in this particular scenario, you could put $4,500 in your pocket. Now keep in mind, when you go to get rid of your car, you got $5,000 worth of damage on it, so you're going to pay the price for this thing at some point. But you might as well get the money from the insurance company, or more importantly, fix the car. But again, we help you figure out what's in your financial interest. If it's time to pay the mortgage payments or your credit cards or whatever you may be struggling with, then your best financial move may be to cash out and not fix the car right now. But again, claim is a claim. It doesn't matter whether it's $2,000, $20,000, one car or 5 cars. That's one claim. That one claim is enough to raise your rates these days, but it's not multiple claims. If you get into a second accident 2 or 3 months, a year later, that's the second claim. So if you've been in an accident and you think it's not in your best interest to get your car repaired or at a minimum cash out, that's not true. You want to take advantage of the fact that you've already got a claim. You might as well get the money that's owed to you on your damage because your insurance company's already paying to fix the other vehicle. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, share it with your friends, neighbors, relatives, coworkers, and even those people you're not so crazy about, because they could use help too. All right. Love you guys. Stay out of trouble, and we'll see you soon.